Hello and welcome to Automechanika. Welcome to our stand at the show. We're in Hall 8 K65. This is Jura. Have a look on our stand because we've got some fantastic products for you to have a look at. This is the 400 series. Its global debut, a brand new product from us at Jura. It's a slightly more cost-effective product than our 600 series, but it still upholds all of our quality standards, and it's absolutely beautiful. It comes with soft close drawers as standard. You've got under cabinet options, above cabinet options, and it's all finished with this lovely pin seal top as well. And we've got some different worktop options on the stand, which I'm going to show you shortly. Before that though, come and have a look at this. Just here we've got the 600 series, and in the middle we've got this workbench here, which is height adjustable. At the push of a button it raises and lowers with millimetre precision. Right next to it, this is a rather special product. This is a concept. It's a product preview of what's coming in future, and it is our smart toolbox. Effectively, by using a tablet or indeed a user's smart device, you can control who has access to the tools and assets within, and using the tried and tested kit system you can manage those tools as well. So if they need calibration, if any get lost or damaged, very quickly using the app you can control who has access, and it's all controlled using this tablet here, but when it's released into the field you'll be able to use your own smart devices. Now behind me over here is the Jura 600 series. You all know the Jura 600 series, but what we brought with us this year is a few product updates. We start with some beautiful worktop finishes. We've got copper, brass, stainless, and we've also got a selection of woods and other materials as well. We've also bought samples so you can see the classical grey colours that you can have in there. We've also got blacks and whites, and if you fancy a bit more colour in your workshop, we've got a selection of colours as well. We do a lot more colours than this, but we thought we'd show you a sample. Now when you have a look at this drawer, you can see the product updates, which is our Fultura runners, which have soft close as an option and come with anti-tilt as standard on the mobile units. Now over here, the final treat for you is a bespoke unit that we developed with a customer back in the UK. Alf England, a motorcycle dealership of some 45 years, needed a very unique solution for their fluid servicing, and this is it here. So in their workshop they have a vital clamp mounted on the worktop, and this drip tray pulls out to catch any oil or any fluids that fall, keeping them off the floor and increasing the safety. It's also been set back, which enables the technicians and engineers to get in closer to the job, and it's all finished in this beautiful stainless steel worktop. So that's Jura over in Hall 8, stand K65 at Automechanika 2024. Hopefully we'll see plenty of you here. We can't wait to welcome you to our stand.